Hi everyone, today's video from drivinglessonscork.ie is on passing the Irish driving test and what's next. Now, obviously we would have to say congratulations, you got this far, very good. We are always delighted when people pass their driving test. It's the standard you want to be at with your driving, and you've got there. You might have taken the hard road to get there, but you got there. You've made the standard, and congratulations. Now, so you've got your certificate of competency from the driving tester. Now, to be recognised as being a fully licensed driver, what they call a novice driver, you still have to get your driving licence. Now, you need to be in possession of your driving licence before you become categorised as the novice driver. So, with your certificate of conformity, you need to go to the NDLS, that's the National Driving Licence Service. So go to ndls.ie, make an appointment, as you can see here, to get your full licence, and see here as to how to apply for your driving licence. Now, when you get your driving licence, you will then go from being a learner driver officially at that stage, when you're in possession of your driving licence, full driving licence, you will go from being officially a learner driver to being officially a fully licensed novice driver. Now, for 2 years after your passing your driving test, while you're driving around as a fully licensed driver, you'll have to display end plates like this one on your car. This is to alert people that you've just passed your driving test and you're now possibly driving on your own, as you're entitled to do under the law, because you've fully passed your driving test. Now, even though you're allowed to pass on your own, you may indeed decide to still have a small bit of accompaniment, maybe not on all the journeys you'll take, but on some journeys that you're not sure of. It would be no harm at all, you know. And then when you become more confident, then perhaps you may not need to have that little bit of accompaniment anymore. Now, also, when you get your full driving licence test passed, make sure to tell your insurance company that you've passed your driving test. You may, and the word I would use is may, be entitled to a small to medium-sized refund from your driving insurance company, because you're now a fully licensed driver. So as soon as you've passed your driving test, ring them up, tell them that you're now a fully licensed driver, and hopefully they will remove the loading on your policy because you were a learner driver previously. Now, they may want to see a copy of your full license, so you may have to wait for your possible insurance rebate until you get your full driver's license into your possession. After that, guys, there's not much more to say to you. Again, congratulations on getting your full license. And the last thing we'll say to you is be careful out there, folks. You're now driving on your own. You're competent enough, you were adjudged competent enough to be able to drive on your own, having passed your full driving test. So be careful out there, folks. Take it handy for the first 2 years as a novice driver, and take care. Now, folks, if you liked this video, please click the like button under this video. You may decide to subscribe to our channel too. We have other videos on our YouTube channel here on various different driving matters that may interest you. So thanks for watching this video, and good luck with your driving career. Remember now, you're always learning. Just because you passed your driving test, that really is only the start of your lifelong driving learning experience. So good luck, folks. Until later, bye for now, and thanks very much for watching.